Hi, this is Dai from Japan Localized. Thank you very much for your support to our fundraising campaign. We raised around 500,000 Japanese yen, and our local tour guides start to write letters to you using this beautiful letter from Kyoto. I hope this will arrive soon to your home. And a lot of media start to write about our fundraising campaign. So I decided to extend the end date till end of June. So please share this to your friends, to your social media. Thank you very much in advance. It's very hard time for all of us, but I hope you're doing well, and I hope I will see you soon in Japan. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting us. And please keep following Japan Localized. Thank you very much.